Tell me when.
Go.
Okay. This is me, Amanda, and this is my friend Nathan, and we're bored at 11 o'clock at night. So we call this the Snow Ox Goes Shopping at the Dollar Tree. I'm in reverse. Hold on.
Push that car! What does the car need to go shopping at the Dollar Tree for, Amanda?
To park it in the curb!
Go, little cart, go! Yeah, it's going! Come on, Amanda, get it parked. You gotta hit the curb, or else you fail your mission. Go, go, go.
Tell me when or I'm gonna switch it.
Wait, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. You're good. Nice.